Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Apple Pay at a store. First, ensure your Apple device is set up with a card in your wallet app. This secure digital wallet allows for quick and easy transactions. You'll find Apple Pay accepted at millions of locations worldwide, making your shopping experience smoother and more efficient. It's a simple, contactless method for everyday purchases. Setting up Apple Pay is straightforward. On your iPhone, open the Wallet app and tap the plus icon in the upper right corner. You can then add a new debit or credit card by scanning it or entering the details manually. Your bank will verify the card, and once approved, it's ready for use. This process usually takes less than 2 minutes to complete. When you're ready to pay with your iPhone, simply double-click the side button. Your default card will appear, and you'll authenticate using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Then, hold the top of your iPhone within a few centimeters of the contactless reader. A subtle vibration and a checkmark on your screen confirm a successful transaction, usually in under 2 seconds. Using Apple Pay with your Apple Watch is just as easy. Double-click the side button on your watch to bring up your cards. You can swipe to choose a different card if needed. Then, hold the face of your Apple Watch near the contactless payment terminal. You'll feel a gentle tap and hear a chime, indicating your payment has been successfully processed in about 1 second.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.